Dear brothers and sisters, I think you're doing well. Why I am selling here? I will explain reasons. First of all, we have drop base drop, while the left we have resistance, and price make CSM re-entry sell at moving average 5 high. Market also below the Bbma 50. H1 time frame we have QM pattern, higher high, lower low. Entry area will be between shoulders. After installing osmomusculator, lower time frames like M15, we have osmomusculator divergence setup, while chart making higher high, osmomusculator makes higher low. What next? Where is the take profit area? Take profit area, previous low. Okay, now time to sit back and take a rest.
3, 2, 1.
Market has been reacted according to our setup. Price has been dropped more than 30 pips. Few of my positions are taken down by broker due to floating loss.